How to add bank account to Apple Pay 2025 method. Most people get this wrong. They assume you can just link any bank account to Apple Pay instantly. But the surprising truth in 2025 is that adding a bank account to Apple Pay requires a few specific steps, and skipping any one of them can lead to errors, failed transactions, or delayed verification. In this guide, we're going to walk you through the complete 2025 method to add your bank account to Apple Pay successfully, step by step, including tips to avoid common mistakes and maximize security. Apple Pay has evolved significantly by 2025. It now supports a wide range of debit accounts, some checking accounts, and a variety of prepaid options, all of which can be used not only for in-store payments, but also for peer-to-peer transfers, online shopping, and transit cards. But before you can enjoy these benefits, your bank account needs to be properly linked and verified. Step 1. Check your bank compatibility. Not all banks or accounts are compatible with Apple Pay in 2025. Before you start, confirm that your bank supports Apple Pay. Most major U.S. banks, credit unions, and even some fintech institutions now integrate with Apple Pay. Examples of commonly supported banks include Chase, Bank of America, Citibank, Wells Fargo. Credit unions like Navy Federal and Element. Fintech apps like Chime, SoFi, and Revolut. If your bank is not supported, you can still use an Apple Cash account or a linked card to make payments, but direct bank account linking won't work. Step 2. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. The Wallet app is your central hub for all Apple Pay transactions. To start, open the Wallet app. If this is your first time using Apple Pay, you may see a welcome screen explaining Apple Pay features. Tap Add Card or Account to begin. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In 2025, Apple has streamlined the process to separate cards from bank accounts. After tapping Add Card or Account, select the Bank Account option. This is different from adding a debit or credit card and ensures that your bank account will be linked for direct payments and transfers. Step 4. Enter your bank account details. Now comes the step most people get wrong. You'll need your bank's routing number, your checking or savings account number, account type checking or savings. Routing numbers are usually available on your bank statements or the bank's website. Make sure you enter the correct number, because even a single wrong digit can prevent verification. Step 5. Verify your identity. Apple Pay requires verification to ensure your account is secure. In 2025, this usually involves a small deposit from Apple to your bank account, typically under $1 confirmation of the exact amount deposited within the Wallet app. Some banks support instant verification, which uses your online banking credentials to confirm the account immediately. This is faster and avoids waiting for deposits. Step 6. Set up Apple Pay security features. Apple Pay requires security verification to protect your funds. Make sure your device has Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode-enabled two-factor authentication. For your Apple ID is active. Notifications for transactions are turned on to monitor any activity. These steps prevent unauthorized access to your linked bank account and alert you instantly to any suspicious activity. Step 7. Confirm and test. Once your bank account is verified, you can test it by making a small transaction. Try purchasing a low-value item in a store that accepts Apple Pay or sending a small amount to a friend via Apple Cash. This confirms the account is properly linked and functional. Step 8. Using your bank account with Apple Pay. After linking, you can pay in store at any NFC-enabled terminal, make online purchases in apps and websites that support Apple Pay, transfer money to friends or family via Apple Cash, which can draw directly from your bank account, set up recurring payments for transit cards, subscriptions, or donations. Tips to avoid common mistakes. 1. Double-check account numbers. Mistyped routing or account numbers are the most common reason Apple Pay bank verification fails. 2. Use a supported account. Some accounts, like certain savings accounts or older bank accounts, may not work. Check with your bank if in doubt. 3. Be patient with verification. If using micro deposits, it can take 1-2 business days to complete verification. Trying multiple attempts too quickly can lock the process. 4. Keep your device updated. Apple Pay works best with the latest iOS version. In 2025, Apple regularly updates wallet security protocols, so using outdated software can cause errors. 5. Avoid linking multiple accounts at once. Linking several accounts simultaneously can trigger security flags. Add one account at a time to ensure smooth verification. Security advantages in 2025. Apple Pay offers multiple security benefits compared to traditional debit cards. Tokenization of your bank account details means your actual account number is never shared with merchants. Biometric authentication prevents unauthorized transactions. Instant alerts for every payment help detect fraud quickly. The ability to remotely suspend Apple Pay on a lost device protects your funds. Real world example. Let's say you want to link your Chase checking account to Apple Pay in 2025. Here's how it would look. 1. Open wallet and tap Add card or account. 2. Select bank account. 3. Enter your Chase routing number 0210000214. Enter your checking account number 1,234,567,895. Choose checking as account type. 6. Opt for instant verification using Chase login credentials. 7. Confirm verification within the wallet app. 8. Make a $1 test purchase at Starbucks via Apple Pay to confirm functionality. After this process, you can pay for coffee, groceries, transit, or send money to friends directly from your bank account using Apple Pay. Troubleshooting common issues. Bank not supported. Some regional banks may still not be compatible. In this case, use a debit or prepaid card from your bank. Verification fails. Ensure your bank allows ACH connections and that your account details match your bank records. Transaction declined. Check that your bank has sufficient funds and that Apple Pay is listed as an authorized payment method. Multiple devices. If adding the same account to multiple Apple devices, ensure each device is verified separately. Conclusion. Adding a bank account to Apple Pay in 2025 isn't complicated, but it requires attention to detail. Start by confirming bank compatibility. Carefully enter your routing and account numbers, verify your identity, and enable security features. With these steps, your bank account can be linked securely, and you can enjoy seamless payments, peer-to-peer transfers, and Apple Pay convenience. Most people miss out because they rush or skip verification, but following this method ensures your account works perfectly the first time. Once linked, your bank account becomes a powerful tool in your Apple Pay ecosystem, secure, fast, and ready for all types of digital transactions in 2025.